Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy like Jollibee. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need chicken drippings, all-purpose flour, and unsalted butter. Also, have chicken or beef broth ready, along with some seasonings. These components are crucial for achieving that signature savory taste and smooth texture. The foundation of great gravy is a well-made roux. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches a light golden color. This step is vital for thickening your gravy and preventing lumps. Now, let's build that delicious flavor and perfect consistency. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of warm chicken or beef broth into your roux. Keep stirring continuously to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt to taste. Let it simmer gently for 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. For the perfect finish, taste your gravy and adjust the seasonings if necessary. A small splash of soy sauce can enhance the umami flavor, making it even more like Jollibee's. If you prefer an extra smooth texture, you can strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve. Serve your delicious homemade gravy warm with fried chicken, mashed potatoes, or rice. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.